Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about two types of muscle fibers. First is type 1, also known as slow twitch muscle fibers. Another is type 2 or fast twitch muscle fibers. See, as name suggests, slow twitch muscle fibers are generally activated when we have to do activities for long period of time. Let's say you're a long distance runner, you're a cyclist or swimmer. In that case, you have a good amount of slow twitch muscle fibers. But when you go in sports like sprinting, weightlifting, in which you have to produce a huge amount of force for a short period of time. In that case, fast twitch muscle fibers are generally more activated. So let's talk about them briefly. So slow twitch muscle fibers. These are generally these generally uses oxygen for their required energy uses. So this uses aerobic respiration. So these muscle fibers gets fatigued slowly as compared to fast twitch muscle fibers. You can use these muscle fibers for a long period of time. So when let's say when you are sitting in a classroom or at your office desk, at that time your slow twitch muscle fibers are activated. You can imagine you can sit for 3 to 4 hours or 6 hours. That's the work of slow twitch muscle fibers. But let's say you want to sprint, you want to go all out on your 100-meter racing, then you see that you can't go beyond like 80 to 100 meters. After that you like get fatigued, you feel like I can't run anymore. So that's because the fast twitch muscle fiber gets fatigued very fast. Because it uses glycogen, the stored energy in our muscles. That's why you can't use your fast twitch muscle fibers for a long period of time. It's their purpose. It's the fast twitch are not meant to do long tasks. So if you're a long distance runner, then your body have more slow twitch muscle fiber, or if you are like an athlete like sprinter or weightlifter, then you have a good amount of fast twitch muscle fibers. So thank you guys.